Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson. Alright, so today we're looking at elective maths and we have this question on the board. If 3 minus 2x raised to the power 4, and then we are asked to find the coefficient of x raised to the power 3. Now this question is under binomial expansion in elective maths. Okay, so we have our solution. Now for binomial expansion of finding the coefficient of a term, we use the formula n subscript to r a n minus r, and then we have x raised to the power r. Alright, so n is the power of the whole expression, so which is 4, and then r is the exponent of the x, which is 3. We have a, so 4 minus 3, and then x, we have the r to be 3. Alright, so now what is the a? A is the 3. So a is the 3, 4 minus 3, and then x is a negative 2x, negative 2x, so we have negative 2x raised to the power 3. Now how do we write this? So we write this by writing the, so we write the factorial of the exponent, so 4 factorial over, so when you subtract 3 from 4, we have 1, so 1 factorial, and then the exponent of the x, which is 3, so 3 factorial. Taking it again, we write the factorial of the exponent of the whole expression over, now when we deduct 3 from the 4, we have 1 factorial, and then the exponent of the x, so 3 factorial. Now let's go, times the 3 raised to the power 1, also times we have negative 2x raised to the power 3. Alright, so with 4 factorial, we are looking at the product of the numbers. So we are looking at the product of the descending product of the 4. So we have descending product, so 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, yes, descending, we are descending, all over, now 1 factorial is 1 times, now 3 factorial, descending product of the numbers, so 3 times 2 times 1. Now we are done with this. Now let's look at this too. So 3 raised to the power 1 is 3 times, now negative 2 raised to the power 3. So we have, so 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. Now negative times negative times negative, so 3 times we have negative. So that negative 8x raised to the power 3 for this expression. Alright, so 3 times 2 times 1 cancels 3 times 2 times 1. And then we have 4 over 1 times 3 times negative 8 is negative 24 x raised to the power 3 for this expression. So now we have 4 times negative 24, which gives us negative 96 x raised to the power 3. Alright, so now from the question, they said we should find the coefficient of x raised to the power 3. And now the coefficient of x raised to the power 3 is a number attached to the x raised to the power 3. So which is what? 96. So therefore, the coefficient of x raised to the power 3 is negative 96. Thank you.